and I'm from the business development team of Barakah Dates Factory. We were invited here by the Food and Beverage Innovation Lab. Come and meet all the students who are in the research department of this program. Today was a boot camp held by the Innovation Lab, and what we learned as a Dates Factory is that there are a lot of food research programmers in the country, and they are very well informed, and they have been doing their research to innovate new products to put into the market. We were very happy that we came and met the teams that had visited today, and we are looking forward to meet them in the future in our organizations.